Yodelicious.
Bring in the instrumental Rasta.
Welcome back to Yodelicious. Today we're working on our Dually Tacoma project. I noticed that the reservoir is a little bit low on the brake and clutch. So I took a peek and the clutch is down all the way to the floor. So now I have to pull out this assembly. There's two activated nuts there. Those will have to come out on the other side as bolts. There's not a lot of room, but I'll get in there. Maybe I can show you here. Those two bolts that you see there, and that line, that's a brake line that you see there going to the clutch. With no further ado, let's pull that bad boy out. Okay, here's that bad boy, got him out. So this assembly takes hydraulic fluid and compresses it when you step on your clutch. So I'm gonna take this thing apart, see if I can change an O-ring and put it back together, because they want like 80 bucks for an assembly, and I mean O-rings cost about 3 cents. There it is, guys. Back in its home. Woo! And it's warm out here. Okay, you just watched me cut off those U-bolts. Now I'm gonna have to go around to the other side and do the same thing. The U-bolts hold the differential to the leaf springs. Here we are on the left side of the Tacoma. I've capped the one brake line that I'm gonna be recycling. Now I have these two U-bolts to cut out. They can't be reused because they're too rusty. If we were in California, there's a really good chance we'd be able to get those off and recycle them, but not around here, and not for application either, because like I said, we're gonna be putting that dually differential underneath here, and it'll actually go underneath the leaf spring instead.
Oh God, please, no! No!
Okay, here we are underneath our dually swap candidate. I've just cut the U-bolts. Now we're gonna pull some electrical coming from the brake sensors. Then we can pull out this diff and see if we can't drag our dually in here and see how it looks.
A few moments later.
I mean, I hope you got a good laugh at that. I don't know what I was thinking. I thought I'd be able to sneak it out here. Halfway through, it just seemed like a lot better of an idea to just set it down and pull it through. So here it is. Woo! Diff's out. What we have here is two differentials, the stock one that we took out of the Tacoma and the F350 differential. The first thing you're going to notice about the measurements in this Tacoma is that they're 42 inches from perch to perch, center to center. When you come over to the F350, it's only 40.5 inches. What I'm going to have to do here is actually grind these perches out, push them outwards, and have them re-welded. Join us in the next few episodes as we dabble with the dually and play with the diesel. I'm burnt, I'm tired. We'll see you later.